Hello students, in this video we are doing the practice of articles. We will take some examples and discuss about these examples and its answers. Already we have studied and seen the rules of articles in the last video. See the question. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Let's see the first example. Our city will have dash university soon. Answer. Our city will have a university soon. We used indefinite article a because with vowel letters having pronunciation like consonant. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी जरी वॉवेल आहे, वॉवेल लेटर आहे यू, पण आपण त्याचा जो उच्चार आहे तो मात्र कॉन्सोनंट पासून होतोय, युनिव्हर्सिटी. सो वी यूज्ड indefinite article a. Second example. This is dash car I bought yesterday. See the answer. This is the car I bought yesterday. We used definite article the because to give stress to the common name. Example number 3. Dash oranges are grown in Nagpur. Answer. No article. या ठिकाणी कोणतेही आर्टिकल येणार नाही. आन्सर येईल ऑरेंजेस आर ग्रोन इन नागपूर बिकॉज प्लुरल नाउन. Example number 4. She wants to become dash engineer. Answer. She wants to become an engineer. We used indefinite article an because the singular noun which has the pronunciation like vowel with words beginning with a vowel sound. कारण ह्याचा जो वर्ड आहे तो व्हॉवेल साऊंड पासून स्टार्ट होतोय आणि त्याचा उच्चारही व्हॉवेल साऊंड पासूनच आहे. या ठिकाणी व्हॉवेल लेटर आहे आणि व्हॉवेल साऊंड आहे इंजिनियर. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5. डॅश डॅश लायन इज अ ferocious animal. Answer. The lion is a ferocious animal. We used definite article the. The lion is a ferocious animal because a singular noun represents a whole class. So we used definite article the. Next example 6. Dash sun rises in the east. Answer. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. या ठिकाणी आपण डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द वापरलेला आहे कारण ज्या गोष्टी जगात एकच आहेत त्या आधी द वापरतात. सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Example number 7. Taj Mahal is built of marble. Dash marble. Answer. Taj Mahal is built of marble. No require articles. No require article. Next example. I met Hemant at dash college library. Answer. I met Hemant at the college library. We use definite article the because we are telling the place. I met Hemant at the college library. Next example number 9. He hopes to join dash university soon. Answer. He hopes to join a university soon. We used indefinite article a because vowel letter having pronunciation like consonant. See last example. See the last example. Example number 10. It is dash absurd story. Answer. It is an absurd story. with words beginning with vowel sound. So we used indefinite article an. Students, in this video we have seen 10 examples of articles. Okay. Watch and listen the video again and again carefully and write down all examples in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.